Well, this happened today. Picked up a track steer for the business. Pretty major machine. 9,000 pounds, picks up like 3,000 pounds. Pretty excited, not gonna lie. It was pretty much terrifying buying this thing just because it's a $40,000 machine, but we're gonna put it to work. We're gonna make some money. Hell yeah, Cat 259D. Dylan checking out our new skid steer, getting a good feel for it. It's a new workhorse. Yeah, it's gonna replace old Blue. That thing's from the 60s, no brakes. Well, I've been pressure washing it, getting all the mud and grease and stuff cleaned up. But this thing is really cool. I'm excited. It's gonna be going up to Breckenridge on Monday to start a job. And we're pretty much gonna put it to work right away. So, heck yeah, feeling blessed. Well, we made it to the Breckenridge job with the skid steer. We got all this steel to fly. We're gonna stand up a building over here using this skid steer and this jib right here, this boom. And we're gonna stand a 24 by 40 foot steel building next to the house. What's up, buddy? What? Cool. First job site. All right, we're out here on the Breckenridge site. Me and my cousin Kanan. What's up, Kanan? Got the skid steer up here. Gotta hang all this steel behind me there, and then a bunch more over there. But me and Kanan, we just stood this first piece up by hand, and yeah, been up here for a couple hours getting organized, and first piece goes up by hand. All right, we're getting the column set with the skid steer on this really cool job site in Breckenridge on the side of a hill. But as you can see, it's been a little sketchy today, but we got it. All right, using the boom attachment to fly some steel. All right, we're flying this roof in here, man. This 15-foot boom has been great on the skid steer. We got this side going in. Wheels up in the basket, making the connections. Skid steer's doing great. Yeah. All right, this is what happens when your scissor lift breaks down. Flying this building here. This scissor lift sucks. Well, we are on the side of a mountain, and we got a new one over there. But we have to have it winched out, wrecker status. Yeah. Like 4.